How to make camping a rewarding endeavor. Something as seemingly simple as camping might seem as though little planning is necessary. This is not the case. The better planning you do, the more fun you can have. The tips below will help you in finding the best plan for your next camping trip so you are prepared for anything. Reserve your spot at a campground as soon as possible. Particularly in the summer, many people are interested in camping with their families. If you make your reservation in the winter, you are much more likely to get the best rate possible. Those savings can translate into additional family fun while on your vacation. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Make sure that you know basic first aid before you go out on a camping trip. In the unfortunate case of an accident, you will be prepared to handle the situation. Be sure to research the area you are visiting. Know the types of wild animals that inhabit the woods and gain understanding of any poisonous snakes or plants nearby. You can make tasty meals even when you are camping. You do not necessarily need to eat just franks and beans or hamburgers. Pack a box with herbs and spices, olive oil, brown sugar or whatever else you like. You can fix meals that have flavor even when you are roughing it. Dryer lint is a great item to bring if you are trying to start a campfire. Collect the lint in your dryer and store it in a bag a few weeks before you go camping to prepare for this. Keep a used grocery bag on your laundry room door to collect the lint. Using this for your kindling will save you time looking for it, and it will work even better than any kindling that you do find. You should now see how much planning actually needs to be put into a great camping trip. Now that you know, you should begin preparing for a trip in which you are ready for anything. Follow this guide and you will soon be camping under the stars and having a great time. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.